Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a really absolutely gorgeous Honda MTX 50. A very special and rare bike. For those of you that know, you know that the MTXs, the whole line is pretty rare, but 50 is probably the most rare in any wad of a good condition because they were kind of hacked. So this one I would say is in good condition for what it is. It's a really nice sound bike with no fluting or messing around. All the things you want are still there, with all the indicators, all the original little bits from top to bottom. It's a 6-speed 2-stroke machine, road legal, and I actually rode it out on the road there and we got up to 80 kilometers an hour and I still had another gear left. So pretty quick little bike for a 50. The front tire thread's okay, but we are seeing signs of cracking. Alloy itself is looking pretty good with no signs of rusting at the top of the spoke. The front mudguard's really good condition, original front headlamp and indicators, horn original as well. Up over the top, these are aftermarket grips, I know that for sure. Everything else I think is pretty original. Little shame with the needle in the odometer there, which is snapped off, but otherwise the clocks are nice and clean. It's got two original keys, or well, no, they're not original actually, sorry, my bad. There are two keys with it though, which is nice to have. The tank is in really nice nick as well. Some cracking on the sticker, but I think that's nearly inevitable for a bike of its age. All the cluster, everything like that. Sorry, I got interrupted there, just looking at someone bringing in the bike for service. So continue on. Engine area is looking, there's some little bits of fading, but to be honest, I'd say if you got a bit of silicone, heat that up even, that might come out and look pretty nice. Overall side panels, really good condition. Now again, for me, I'm rating this bike on what I know about these and the condition that they're usually in. So this is really nice. It's not quite museum. Rear tire again is the same as the front. It's got loads of thread but cracking. Moving on to the left hand side, chain guard is still present. Chain is actually pretty good. Probably needs a bit of a lube. But other than that, they're actually looking fairly fresh. Even that, I'd say that's been changed quite recently. The sprocket there at the rear. Then front here, up over the top, side stand. The tank on this side is good. I mean, there is little specks of something there that will probably scrape out if you got the right chemical. Clocks again up the front mudguard, everything like that. Anyway, this is going to be a cracker. I wouldn't miss it. This ride long, really nice bike to ride and mega quick, and I'm so confident you get a first kick. I'm going to show you on camera right now. They're so easy to kick. Straight away, look at that. That's a mint engine if ever you heard one. Really nice. Give it a little rev. Not going to be too harsh on her now, she is pretty cold. But that's it. Really nice Honda MTX. Okay, we're on to a Honda MTX 50. Let's give it a go. It's completely cold. It'll go for a start. I'm confident of that. Really sweet bike. Love it. 6-speed. The only shame is about the needle on the clock itself, but it is indicating speed. I'm going to do a proper spin on this one because I know this will definitely annoy the neighbors because they see kind of a dirt bike. They just think pure lunatic. Especially one that's high revving like this, that you get it to 50 kilometers an hour and it's like it's a rocket ship going past. You're stringing its neck. So we'll go out left onto the road. All right. Let's get it up to speed. Now that's fun. If that's not fun, I don't know what is. 60. I'm into 6th gear. Gonna pull into the right here. So many gears for a little 50cc bike like this. Such fun using all the gears. You're using every little bit of this bike. I'm sure it'll do 90 kilometers an hour, something like that, top speed with a bit of luck. It's actually super comfortable as well. Just taking that taking these bumps here like nothing, look. So oh Jesus, typical Peugeot driver. Ruin your car, why not? Go up on the curb here to get around. This is super fun. I love this bike. Really, really nice. The sitting position is quite good as well. It feels it's just very, very comfortable to ride. Even as a taller individual, see, it's really, really comfy. I can see myself doing the commute in and out on this, no problem. Absolutely no issue at all. Brakes feel good, look at that. I'm using combination of both front and rear there. Missed the gear. False neutral. Gearbox feels really nice. I'm doing quick shift gear, so no clutch there. And it's feels fantastic, absolutely brilliant. This bike is on the button. Superb. Alright, let this van go or else I'm going to run into traffic here. No, well, not too bad actually. Feels like everyone looks around and thinks, oh my god, this guy's going to be doing 100 miles an hour past me. He's going flat out 50 kilometers an hour. What a great bike. Honda MTX 50. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe down below. If you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retrobikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.